I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: an original Aadhaar, your active SIM, and a phone that can receive OTPs. Go to the nearest Aadhaar enrollment or your mobile operator outlet. Once there, tell the agent you want to link your mobile to Aadhaar. They will ask for your 12-digit Aadhaar number and current mobile number. You provide details, sign the consent form if required, and allow them to initiate the authentication request. Make sure the SIM is in your name to avoid delays. Once the agent starts the UID authentication, you will receive a one-time password on the mobile number you provided. You must enter that OTP promptly when prompted, and sometimes the process requests fingerprint or iris verification for stronger validation. Pay attention to the details shown on the agent's terminal, name, and last 4 digits of Aadhaar. After successful verification, request and note the secure transaction ID or receipt. This SRN confirms the linking request and helps track status if you need to follow up. Finally, wait for a confirmation SMS from UID telling you the mobile is seeded to Aadhaar. This can take a few hours. If you don't get confirmation, use the SRN on your receipt to check status online or call the operator and provide the SRN. If the process fails, common problems are name mismatches, an incorrect number, or the SIM not being KYC compliant. Correct the mismatch at the operator or re-attempt authentication at an Aadhaar center.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.